Shumai, hi everyone, I'm Natalie from the central team here at Barod, and I'm here in our lovely Newport head office to talk to you about our big announcement. Before I do, just a quick thank you to everyone who's liked, shared or followed us on social media. It really does make a difference to hear from you, so please do keep that up. And don't forget, we do have a new YouTube channel, so if you use YouTube, please go on over there and subscribe to that, where we'll be posting new videos and all of our old historic videos from Druggy Cymru, Sands, and any new Barod videos will be going on there too. So please do join us on there. Also, just a quick thank you to all those who have made some very interesting suggestions as to what our big announcement could be. They did make me smile when I read those this morning. I do feel that next to those, especially the one about the ice cream, this isn't going to be that exciting, but let's go for it anyway. So, Barod are really pleased to announce that finally, on Wednesday, the 18th of July 2018, we will be launching our brand new website. That might not seem like a big deal to most of you, but for anyone who's visited our current website, you'll understand why we're very excited about this. Our current website hasn't really done what it needed to for a while. It definitely needed updating and a lot of work, and the new website is slick and clean and bright with lots of really great information. So we really hope that you like that. So we're going to give you a little sneaky peek of it now, and hopefully get some comments from you. So here it is, our brand new website, sneaky peek. This is our homepage. It is a work in progress, but it will all be finished and ready by the 18th of July when we launch. As you can see, it's bright, it's fresh, it's streamlined. It has easy to use navigation buttons at the top. It provides information about the services we offer, where and when, about the types of services such as acupuncture and needle exchange. It has information about current and previous campaigns that we're running across our services, and we'll also have some resources on there, self-help resources, information booklets on different topics, etc. for you to download and use. It also has a handy Get Help Now button, which will take you directly to a contacts page with all of the different buildings we run and what is provided in those buildings and how to contact us there. And it also has a hide button. If you click that, it will take you to Google, just in case you need to quickly leave the site for any reason. The site will be launched in English only to start with, but we will be working on a Welsh version of every page and providing those as and when we can get those translated and uploaded. We are committed to providing a fully bilingual website, but we just wanted to get the website up and running and out there for people to start using whilst we started to translate and build the Welsh versions of every page. So there it is, that's our sneak peek of our website. So that was just a little sneaky peek of the website as it is now. There's a few tweaks to make, but we'll get those done in time for the launch on the 18th of July 2018. So please do join us on that day. There will be a full launch. There will be lots of opportunities to win some great prizes and some goodie bags just for engaging on the website and having a little look around there. So do join us for that. If you haven't already, follow us, like us on social media so that you can make sure you find out when the competitions are starting so you can get in there as quickly as possible and win those goodies. But for now, thank you so much for watching. We will see you on Wednesday, the 18th of July for our full website Wednesday launch. Hwyl am y tro. Bye for now.